Today, we're making a powerful natural remedy to boost your immune system and support your lungs. Start with a piece of ginger. It's great for lowering blood cholesterol, improving brain circulation, and strengthening blood vessels. It's especially helpful for coughs and colds, thanks to its rich content of sodium and potassium. Let me know in the comments what your mother tongue is. I'd love to know where you're watching from. Now add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 cloves. Cloves help detoxify the body by flushing out toxins. Pour in 1 liter of water, mix well, and boil for 10 minutes. Next, add 1 spoonful of elderberry. This herbal ingredient is traditionally used to treat coughs, sinus infections, flu, and sore throats. Cover and let it steep for 30 minutes. Squeeze in the juice of 1 lemon, a rich source of vitamin C that naturally boosts immunity. Strain the drink, then stir in 1 tablespoon of honey. This soothing drink is excellent for bronchitis, lung cleansing, and strengthening the immune system. For best results, drink it 3 times a day before meals. But remember, always check with your doctor before trying any new remedy, especially if you have underlying conditions. Take care and stay healthy.